Hi there, it's been a while and I wanted to update you on the distance sensor project. I've been waiting for parts and some time to do this. My boyfriend's friend and my friend now, Abby, has very kindly printed me another box. So I've refined the design a little bit. I could probably do with an iteration free. There's some still things that aren't quite right, but this is much better. So yeah, the same parts as before: battery box, Arduino. My friend Pete got me another Arduino and soldered the heads on for me, which is lovely. The same thing, ultrasonic sensor and a little speaker. So yes, this is the new battery box. This is the new box for it. So I've just stuck the battery in there, so just super glued that in there. And the Arduino will go in there, speaker will go there, and the distance sensor here. The sensor doesn't quite fit, so I think if I do get around to doing iteration free, I'm going to measure this a bit better and see if I can get the distance sensor to fit in here just a little bit better. And then it does, because it doesn't quite rest flush at the front, but it's good enough. And just a smidge, not enough space for the Arduino, so I've had to sort of get my Dremel out and relt that a little bit to see if I can get it in here. So I'm just in the process of assembling this, and I just did a dry run, but of course that's without the camera. So now I've got to try and do it with the camera, and I can't get obviously close enough to it. So this is all going to be done by feel now because I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, so here we go. And I've pre-wired this all up. I've redone the cables. I initially did the sensor cables too short. I thought they would fit, but knowing that there isn't going to be enough space for cables really, but so I thought shorter cables would be better, but unfortunately the shorter cables I made didn't quite reach, so I had to do them again. And you can look back through my past videos to see how difficult I find that. Am I putting this in the right way round? Possibly not. Down. No, this is quite a snug fit because I couldn't quite route this out quite well enough. There we go. That's on the floor now. I think I'll put the speaker in next because the sensor rests on top of the speaker. And the speaker fits quite well. That's really good. So that more or less holds itself in place, and then we put that on top. I can see I haven't really got enough place for cables. Not quite sure what I'm going to do about that. I could make them smaller, but then it's difficult to fit. So yeah, that's just holding the battery box in place. It's probably glued now. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. So that's all super glued now. And eventually I'm just about to order some. I was going to put a magnetic strip on here to hold it back, but that's clearly not going to work. So I'm going to get some screws, put a screw in the top and 2 screws in the bottom and screw it together. But my problem is what to do with the cables. Yeah, I don't really want to make it again because they are a nightmare to make those cables. I can probably bend them and fit them into that space there. If I'm lucky, that might work. I know I haven't put the battery in yet. Yeah, and that might hold everything in. Battery box isn't glued in properly yet, but you'd see that. And this one's had a lanyard thing at the top, so again, I'll have to refine that because I don't think I put it down far enough, and it didn't really make a big enough hole. So I'm going to look at that again and see what else I can do with that. But I've glued it in for now. That's good enough. Yeah, but see, they're not flat. They're supposed to be flat, but not. They're pointed back because it's hitting something here. I'm not quite sure what. Switch it on and switch it off. So that's good. Yeah. So I'll get the battery in and see what works, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. Okay. Let's see what I can do here, because I need to check the cables, make sure they haven't moved since I these in, and I can't check that on screen unfortunately, and I don't think I can do that. No, that's not going to work very well, is it? No, that's a shame. I wonder if I can magnify the input here. Oh, look at this. So it's little that side, big that side, and it is turned off. Because the last time I did this, I put the battery in the wrong way. I blew up the Arduino, which was spectacular, but not what I wanted. Right, so just double check. There's a big one there, little one there, so little one down there, big one up there, so that can't go in the wrong way. Push that on there, zoom this out, and this is probably where it goes horribly wrong, or I've not connected something correctly. Turn it on. Yeah, that's what I thought. I haven't connected something correctly, but I've got power. I've got power, so that's good. But something's obviously come out of connection. Okay, I'll have to check what's gone wrong there. That means pulling it back out again. Oh, that's a pain, isn't it? Well, that's clearly right, because I wouldn't get power. That one's on, because it skips a pin, which is a reset pin and then VCC. The other ones that could be in the wrong place are these three. And it looks like, yes, I think that is in the wrong place, actually. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So we got transmit, receive, reset, I think, and then it's ground. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if that does anything. Hopefully I should have a noise. Perfect. Right. Yeah, so I'm going to have to make... Yeah, next iteration I'm going to need to make some room for cables. But you get the gist, I'll just do that. Cool. Right, next video will be me test driving this. Hang on a second. You can see my ugly mug now, and you can see I'm wearing my distance sensor. I've just put elastic band around for now, and I put it on the wrong way around because that's how clever I am. Let me put it on the other way. It doesn't want to face the front, does it? There we go. So that's how I would wear it. And let's see, let's turn it on. I just had my phone, I had the phone in the way, then let me switch it around. So I'm walking closer now, so now it's telling me I am within 2 meters or something. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, hopefully we'll go on a walk and I'll get to try this out. So that'd be cool. Cool, thank you.